Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We've got a great fall sale happening right now. This is one of the units we have on the ground in stock and on sale. It's a brand new Haulmark 7x16 plus 2-foot V-nose front transport model. Now, Passport is our entry-level model, comes with a 1-year factory warranty. This is a Transport, which is an upgraded line for Haulmark, does come with a 3-year factory warranty. This is also set up with our Colorado UTV Pack on it. It's got some really nice features. Let's go through it right now. It is in a beautiful smooth skin black exterior, so you have no screws or rivets on the exterior. Extra tall diamond plate rock guard along the front. Nice big extended V tongue, and then you've also have that coated frame from Haulmark as well. And again, stock number 15008. This one does have the side door with the RV lock, so you will have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. And here's a better shot of that gorgeous smooth skin exterior. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, of course, plus you've got that nice polished aluminum fender. Side vents, you will have natural cross ventilation through this trailer, which is great if you're going to stick anything in here with fuel. And then you also have the drop-down stabilizer jacks. That's all part of our Colorado UTV Pack. Now you also have a rear ramp door, spring assist close, and we've upgraded your interior height to 7 foot for the Colorado UTV Pack as well, and then added a load light, so you guys will have some light here at night if needed. You can drop this ramp door, and the toggle switch for that is right there, so that's easy, convenient to access. Now we've also added 4 D-rings, so you do have some tie downs in here. There's 2 here at the back, 2 more up front, and again you've got 18 feet of total length in here, and then 1-piece aluminum roof, plus with the Transport you get an extra interior light, so you've got 2 LED interior lights. Now this is an amazing floor and wall system in here. Normally you get the great floor with the Haulmark product, but part of the Colorado UTV Pack, we've added the upgraded walls as well. This is called DryMax. It's an engineered product, does not absorb the water and moisture like wood will. It's a water resistant product. So this is going to be set up to last you guys a lot longer, and you don't have to be so concerned when you're pulling in wet vehicles in and out of here, like wet Razors and Can-Ams and Polarises and all kinds of other great things, because this floor isn't going to absorb that water and moisture like a wood floor will. So again, really nice upgrade there. You do have a toggle switch right here next to that side door that's going to turn on your overhead LED lights. You do have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys, again with the awesome RV lock. And some nice interior height here, which will be really good if you are going to do UTVs in here. So original price on this unit was at $69.77. We've got this marked down for our fall sale to $62.77 plus tax. It's a great buy for a really well-made trailer. So give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. 303-688-8485. You guys can go right to our website, coloradotrailersinc.com, or getmytrailer.com, whatever is easier for you. We have a buy it now button on there if you guys want to snag this up before somebody else does, or give us a call. We can help you with a purchase, and we also ship. So if you don't live near us, no worries. We'll get you your trailer delivered to your door. And be sure to like and subscribe.